Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is your very own Rokhsana Akhter Rupee. Today we will learn a few more prepositions. So let's begin. Boast. B-O-A-S-T. Boast. That might mean to feel proud of. The word boast never takes for. It takes of or about. For example, we should never boast of our talent, or we should never boast about our talent. Boast of or boast about, but never say boast for. It's wrong. Boast of, boast about. Our final word, careful. We often make mistake using the preposition for with the word careful. We say, be careful for this, be careful for that. This is wrong. The word careful may either take of or about. It can also take with, but never for. For example, we must be very careful of our health, or we must be very careful about our health, and we must be very careful with our money. Yes, of course, we must be very careful with our money. We don't earn money easily. That means we must spend our money wisely.